Education Minister Rakame Sangma has said it will be mandatory for all schools to use textbooks prescribed by the Meghalaya Board of School Education, Mbose. He informed that the government is still studying the pros and the cons and the merits and the demerits of a petition received from the Catholic Schools Association requesting to allow them to continue using their own textbooks. The minister said the state government will allow this year for the schools to continue using their own textbooks because from the next academic session of 2025, the department will make it mandatory. The minister informed that English and mathematics textbooks will be available from February 5th to 10th, while Science NCERT Meghalaya edition will be available from next week.
We have received some the Catholic Schools Association to allow them to continue to use their own books. So on that purpose, I think for not only for those schools, we allow only this year to continue their own textbook. However, I come to know we have different institutions using different textbooks.